So many people keep telling us, be present, be present. You're gonna miss this life stage of your child. Look around, enjoy it. Motherhood is a bliss. These are the best years of your life. Well, I wanna say this. How can we be present, more present than we've ever been before, and not lose our minds? Especially those of us who have young children. Children who are not yet independent, like those like myself. I'm Melissa Lorena, and I am a warrior mom. I'm claiming it. I'm owning it. I am walking into that title. And the reason why is because I have 3 little boys. I have identical twins who are 8 years old and a 10-year-old singleton. And here's what I have to say about being present and not losing your mind. It is totally possible. Did you hear that? I'm not even lying. It is totally possible to be present, to be more present, and not lose your mind. And I want to invite you to a free workshop, 1 hour with me and your fellow moms who figured it out. We figured out how to not feel short-tempered all the time. We figured out how to not feel like we were gonna miss something, that we could never capture in like some sort of mason jar and keep with us to hold forever, ever again, which is these younger years, the years that our kids have the most beautiful, beautiful innocence about them, wonder, magic. I mean, just being curious. There's so much beauty in motherhood, but this stage right now has a timestamp, and that is why I invite you to my 1 hour workshop. I'm going to teach you how to be more present and not lose your mind. Here's the thing, a lot of people suggest, why don't you just meditate? And I'm here to say, I think we need an alternative option. A lot of people also suggest, why don't you not have your cell phone when you're in the moment? But let's be honest, if you're at a playground and they're like involved, don't you want to escape? For God's sake, that's why you brought them to the playground. So I have another way of handling this. I also want to say this. Yeah, this has a timestamp, the youth, the beautifulness of our children, but so do your dreams. So do your personal ambitions, your wishes, your hopes, everything that you would want to do and create in this world, right? So I want to teach you as a mom who has had 3 kids, plus built a business, plus launched a podcast in the last 10 years, how I got both done. I have figured out how to relish, truly relish the present moment with my 3 sons and not lose my mind. And I think there's a really big distinction there, because I think that if I literally took toothpicks, kept my eyelids open and stared at my kids all day long, right, to be truly present and plugged in, I would have lost my mind. And so I invite you, fellow warrior mom, to my 1 hour workshop where I will teach you what I have learned and realized when it comes to being present and not losing my mind. And so I invite you right now to go to the URL www.melissalorena.com/moms. Melissa Lorena, M-E-L-I-S-S-A. Lorena has 7 letters. LLARENA.com/moms. Go ahead and sign up for the 1 hour workshop. The workshop is going to be sensational live. I'm going to walk you through an alternative to meditation so that this way you can truly plug into your heart. I'm also going to share with you how to adjust your personal ambitions. I mean, for goodness sakes, before we have 1 kid, there were so many other things that we wanted to do. Once you became a mom, chances are a lot of that changed. And then if you have 2 kids, 3 kids, 4, 5, 6 or more, you have to make adjustments, right? You have to make adjustments, and I want to help you think those through during this 1 hour workshop. I also want to help you figure out for yourself what you need so that you can enjoy life now, not later, not later. So many people told me when I first became a mom, to wait until he was in kindergarten, my son, to then begin my business. It's been 10 years since. So many people have told me when I became a mom of twins afterwards to pause, but that never felt right for me. It just never has. And if it doesn't feel right for you either, then this workshop is for you. So go ahead, sign up, and I so look forward to getting to know you, because I think there's so much power when collectively we all get together and really focus on what we need right now. And I think right now is the only time. I mean, that's what it means to be present. All right, signing off, Melissa Larina. Have an amazing day, moms.